Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Financial Fitness with CA Ashima Abel Yunus and to this video which is part 5 in the series on top 30 ideas for earning passive income. Adding passive income streams to your financial life can give you more freedom, flexibility and help to improve your finances. As I always say, make sure to add to your tithes, donations and charity as well when you add a new stream of income to your financial portfolio. So, to help encourage and inspire more people to embrace the power of becoming financially literate, make sure you watch this short video to the end so that you don't miss on any of these top 30 ideas of passive income sources. But before I go ahead with this video, I would request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free. You can just log in on YouTube with your email ID and click on the subscribe icon and share it with your family and friends. You can also share it in the WhatsApp groups in your phones as well. I would also like to mention here that you can click on CC while watching videos on YouTube so that you can see the captions or subtitles as well. I will just take a quick pause for only 5 seconds so you all can take time to click on subscribe icon and also click on the bell icon that you will find below the video. Please do that while I wait for just 5 seconds. Okay, so now I'll quickly introduce myself for the new viewers on this channel. I'm Sia Shima, a finance professional, a qualified chartered accountant, certified auditor, and a certified ERP implementation consultant specializing in finance, IT, audits, and tax. I worked as a partner and a director with one of the top 25 leading CA firms in India, which has also been a member firm of one of the big fours. After working in India for a period of 10 years, I moved to Sweden and I have been working as a freelancer as well. I have also worked as a senior applications consultant with a multinational and have impressive success in full cycle implementation of Oracle ERP with corporate clients in Sweden, Finland, Norway, Denmark, and the UK. Now let's continue to explore these passive income ideas to generate extra money in addition to your regular income in order to build a more secure financial portfolio. In my previous videos in parts 1 to 4, I have already dealt with first 7 ideas of generating passive income. So now let's look into the 8th one, which is to sell handmade goods online. Making crafts is often an expensive hobby, but if you are really talented or interested, you might be able to turn your hobby into a side hustle or maybe even a full-time business eventually. You might be an artist who paint extremely well, creative minds who can give fashion a new name, home cooks who can give restaurants a run for their money. In fact, you even know jewelry makers who make funky and trendy rings or earrings. Or perhaps you are one of them. But you know what's sad? You know your worth, your talent, and your expertise. But the world is yet to recognize it. Appreciation from your loved ones is only going to fuel your passion, but appreciation from the world is going to turn this passion into a full-grown business. List products on a marketplace like Amazon, Flipkart. You can sell on Instagram, Facebook, or make your own e-commerce website or blog. There are hundreds of online sites you can sell on. Some have specific niches like video games or handcrafted goods, while others let you sell whatever you want. Some popular online sites include Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy Payments, which is currently available for shops in several countries worldwide. Folksy is also there, which is UK's version of Etsy. iCraft is a craft site which is based in Toronto, and there are many others. The upfront investment is twofold. You will need to invest in materials and time to make and sell goods like pottery, clothing, etc. You'll want to create an online store to house your products. Selling from your own store reduces the amount of fees that you pay on each sale. Plus, you can create a brand for yourself. The benefits of building a brand compound over time as you grow an audience and connect with more customers. It will help you sell more over time and make money online. To explore more about how to start a business selling handmade goods, you can also read this book by Elena Garcia that you can see on the screen. Now, let's look into the steps that can help you to sell your products online. These are: find your expertise, decide on manufacturing or procuring, build your team, make your own website or register with an existing marketplace, describe and advertise your products, and select a third-party logistics partner. Now let's understand how to implement these steps. First one is to find your expertise. In order to sell products handmade by you or your team online, first decide as to what you are going to manufacture and sell. If your product is unique, on top of being handmade, chances of getting noticed are higher as consumers constantly want something new or offbeat. However, if your products are not entirely unique, make sure that they have a special touch of your authenticity to differentiate them from others in the same category. Next step is to decide on manufacturing or procuring. In order to sell handmade products, you don't necessarily have to make them all by yourself. You can also procure them from skilled craftsmen and native experts while using your resources to list them online, advertise, sell, and share the profit. All you need to do is find the perfect craft, art, print, style that is handmade and easy to extend in a variety of objects. The third step is to build your team. One must know that the e-commerce is known for fast selling, and knowing that handmade objects take time to be made. The customers are usually more patient. However, that patience eventually runs out, and you can be left with many angry customers if you don't figure out a way to produce and stock more. Hence, it is important that you make sure that your business doesn't depend only on you for dealing with every aspect. You can hire more people and train them to either assist you or take over some elements of your business on their own, depending on how your business grow over time. Step 4 is to make your own website or register with an existing marketplace. To sell online, having a website with a payment integration, customer redressal options, and all the back end of an e-commerce store is a must. Depending on how small or big you wish to start, you can either make your own e-commerce website or list your products on marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, etc., or you can simply do both. Amazon Courier is exclusively meant to sell handmade goods. However, even making your own store is no longer difficult with the likes of Shopify to help you set up in just a few hours. Just make sure that you always choose your own unique domain name so that it doesn't affect your business when you switch e-commerce store partners from Shopify to maybe another one. Partner with a store, make your own online store, or do both. The choice is yours. Step 5 is to describe and advertise your products. While most businesses think of advertising as a luxury expense that they immediately cut to reduce cost, it's actually a necessity. Big brands become big because of the successful and constant advertising. And for you to break into the clutter with handmade products, you already have an upper hand. Being handmade and not machine made, you can capture the attention of your customers with advertising across social media platforms. Digital advertising marketing comes with its perks. You are not blindly spending money on an ad to show to lakhs of people, of which only a few hundreds are relevant. Digital marketing helps you define your target audience very well in terms of age, demographic, delivery radius, lifestyle, and more. Hence, with lesser spending, you can reach the perfect audience. Step 6 is to select a third-party logistics partner. Congratulations! You have made your own e-commerce store and you are all set to advertise your products. However, you are getting nowhere if your idea of deliveries is to manually deliver the product. This is only possible when your delivery radius is extremely small or your product needs to be hand delivered, for example, in case you're making cakes. So, to make sure that your products are delivered safely, properly, and quickly, select a suitable third party logistics partner to handle everything: pickup, processing, packaging, and delivery. However, when you partner with an existing marketplace, they often provide order fulfillment services through their own logistics chain. One of the biggest examples of this is Amazon Fulfillment Services, that is available to all vendors who list their products on Amazon. So friends, this was all about how to start selling your handmade goods online. You can also watch my previous videos, which are part 1 to 4 in the series on top 30 ideas of earning passive income, where I have already dealt with 7 ideas in detail. Let me quickly just give you a snapshot of those so that you don't miss on any of these top 30 ideas. The first one was to start an affiliate marketing business. The second is to teach online courses. The third is to become a social media influencer. The next one is to start a drop shipping store. The fifth one is to become a blogger. The sixth is to create a print on demand store, which would suit you if you're an artist, designer, or entrepreneur and you can monetize your creativity. The next one is to sell digital products. If you want to know more about these first 7 ideas in detail, then you can watch part 1 to 4 videos in this series, where I have dealt with all these topics in detail. So friends, now it's time to wrap up this video, where we looked into the first 8 ideas out of the top 30 sources of earning passive income, which can help you achieve financial success. Stay tuned in for my upcoming videos in this series on top 30 ideas for earning passive income. You can also watch my other videos where I have shared information about how to plan a great retirement, different schemes for making foreign remittances like $1 million scheme for NRIs and LRS scheme for residents, tax benefits and tax exemptions for NRIs as well as residents on sale of a house property, tax benefits for returning NRIs like RNOR tax status, and how to avoid double taxation with the help of double taxation avoidance agreements between different countries, and many other videos related to financial planning and investments, which are not only relevant for NRIs but for all others as well, like best investment tips for beginners, how to invest in international stocks, and benefits and risk involved in overseas investments, top 20 budgeting tips for financial planning, and many more. I hope you will benefit from the information shared in this video, and if you find this information useful, then please make sure you click on the like icon and please do subscribe right now if you haven't done that yet. You just need to log in with your email ID on YouTube to subscribe. That's it. It's totally free for all. So do it right now. Subscribe, like, and share. Share it with your family and friends, and do share it in the WhatsApp groups in your phones as well. So with that, I wish you all a happy investing, happy saving, happily donating, a happy living. Stay happy, healthy, and wealthy. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.